Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Julian Mirivel, your professor of positive communication. In this video series, I share short stories designed to inspire you to communicate more positively at work and at home. This is story number 4, and it actually comes from a book that I read my kids all the time. I've got 3 children, and all of them have had to suffer through this. It's one of my favorite little children's stories. It's called Little Blue and Little Yellow by Leo Leonni. And the story goes something like this. It's the story of Little Blue and Little Yellow, and they're best friends. You know, they're just like the best of best friends. And one day, Little Yellow is at home, and Mama Yellow decides to go shopping and run some errands. And so Little Yellow is by himself, and he just wants to go find his friend. So he goes to Little Blue's house, and of course, Little Blue isn't there. And so Little Yellow finds himself very quickly just looking for his best friend around the city. He goes to their favorite place, but Little Blue is not there. He goes to a spot they like, and he's not there. And so now Little Yellow is just, wandering through the streets of the town. But at some point, as he's walking, he takes a turn on one of the streets. And then as he makes the turn, he sees right in front of him Little Blue, who is there. And so they're so happy to see each other that they run into one another and they hug until they become all green. The rest of the story is Little Green just playing all day as one entity. It plays at the park, it plays with friends, it goes and does fun things. And then at the end of the day, Little Green comes home. But of course, when the parents see Little Green, they start to panic. And so they say, what have you done with my Little Blue? What have you done with my Little Yellow? And so Little Green starts to cry, and it cries and cries, and it becomes all tears. And as it becomes all tears again, it becomes Little Yellow and Little Blue again. And the parents are so relieved to see Little Blue and Little Yellow that they give them a hug. But as they hug them, they become a little green too. And the children play until supper time. Healthy communication, good communication, productive communication helps us to become a little bit more green. In order to communicate better, we have to realize that the genuine process for connecting with other people is what actually transcends our perceived difference. And if you learn to improve the way you communicate, you will learn to create lots of little green moments around you. So keep watching these videos, and hopefully you'll be able to do just that. Thank you so much, and I look forward to connecting with you everywhere.